Before Bill Killian addressed the Bradley County residents, he took the time to sit down with us to discuss his tenure as U.S. Attorney and the importance of May Day. Now, some may know the title and the position of U.S. Attorney, but if you could tell us a little bit about some of your accomplishments during your tenure.
First of all, the U.S. Attorney represents the United States both civilly and criminally within the 41 counties of East Tennessee and every other 93 other districts in the country. And in that regard, we've had some really record-breaking healthcare fraud collections, a $41.8 million collection settlement, and that's the largest in the history of the district. We have had some major drug cartels convicted. We have had some various financial fraud, and both among those would be bankruptcy fraud. We've had TVA theft. We've had a number of veterans benefits, Social Security benefits, horse soaring cases in Shelbyville with the Tennessee walking horses. A number of cases that we've made an impact so that the people know that we will prosecute those kind of cases if they're involved in that criminal activity.
What kind of impact has your accomplishments had on the areas of such as Bradley, Polk, McMinn, Meigs, and Ray County in the surrounding area?
Bradley County is geographically situated to be in a drug corridor, both from the interstate and its proximity to Dalton and Atlanta, Georgia through back roads. Its proximity to two different states, and Polk County as well, and McMinn. I am moving next month to try to get Bradley included in the Appalachian High Intensity Drug Trafficked Area Funding, which is a program of the federal government to give funding to drug task forces within the counties. They have to be designated. There are several counties in East Tennessee that are. Bradley County has not been, and I fully intend to get them included because they have a very effective drug task force of the state, federal, and local government that works together. They've been very successful, and they certainly, the money would be utilized where it's needed.
Now, you're in Bradley County today to speak to a group in regards to May Day.
Yeah.
Tell me, in your opinion, the importance of really not just remembering the date, but also the history that's gone into it over the past 150 years plus.
That is a day that, frankly, was established as this day in the 1950s by President Eisenhower. It's a day to not only observe the Constitution, but to appreciate the equality of law and the liberties we have and the justice system as it is, and the rule of law versus the rule of men. And so when we do that, we can fully appreciate the constitutional system as it operates from day to day, not just in theory or in words or in books.
Well, we definitely here in Bradley County appreciate and applaud your efforts that you've had during your tenure as U.S. Attorney, and we hope that you come back to Bradley County more often. The residents would love to have you here.
Thank you. I enjoy it very much. I've spoken here a time or two in the past, and I enjoy being here, and I have plenty of friends here in Bradley County. So thank you for having me. It's been my pleasure.
Absolutely. On behalf of myself and the crew here at WTNB, we would like to thank U.S. Attorney Bill Killian for coming to Bradley County to celebrate with us May Day.